Another garden update. Poets Park, Beach Flats, Santa Cruz, September 15th, 2025. If you're not feeling so good and you need somewhere to hang out, somewhere positive, you can come here and hang out with me, because I'm trying to keep it real. As you can see, like, I don't know, it's things are constantly changing. It's been a weird season this year. So this is the little park right now. Francisco still has some great beans going on there, and a ton of cherry tomatoes he's not using. I took a bunch of them and I threw them in my plot, so hopefully they'll come up. This Mexican oregano, I'm gonna have to get a cutting of that and see if I can make that happen. I wanted to point out two things right away that I think are weird, that I've not seen before. One is my rosemary bush and how it's growing straight down. I looked it up and it said that it's not an uncommon thing, especially with creeper varieties, but it's never done that before. The other thing is the mint, or maybe it's spearmint, but I'd never seen it do this before. So that's kind of weird. I pointed out this volunteer tomato. It's doing pretty well. Way better than the ones that are over there in that really crowded and not sunny area. I replanted some arugula and tried to replant some cayenne, I think, over there. So you can see, like, one came up, although it's not in the row that I planted. Oh, here's another one. Oh, and there's another one. So here we go. Also, you can see more Mizuna, right? It came up in like July, had a ton of it, and it bolted right away, and now more of it's coming up, which is excellent because I really like this stuff, and you know, good stuff. Good for you. And then these are the shishito peppers that I planted in July. They're finally starting to bloom, so that's cool. And my serrano peppers, I haven't looked it up yet. Like, these are doing good, right? These are serrano peppers too. I don't know why they're yellow. Maybe because I planted them too close together. But you can see, like, there's one of the tomatoes I got from Francisco. I just threw them out here, so hopefully they'll rot and come up next year. You can see kale is doing really well. I don't even really like kale, so I don't eat it. I've given a ton of it away, so it's cool. But yeah, not a big kale fan. It does really well though. Oh, also another thing I found out is, like I said, that some things don't get aphids. Kale eventually will get aphids. For a couple years I was planting chard, rainbow chard, and never got aphids. This year I planted it like somewhere in there, totally got aphids. So I don't know, everything gets aphids. More morning glories are coming up everywhere, so I'm gonna have to take care of that. And see, you can see even here, like, more Mizuna. There's just Mizuna everywhere. And the golden berries, right? That's the other one. There's some tomatillo mixed in there with it. I mean, it has totally